Black holes, the eternal dance of darkness. The cosmic whisper. Everything around you is spinning. The Earth, the Sun, the galaxy. Even the smallest atom inside you never stand still. But why? Why does existence itself need to move endlessly? What if motion is not a side effect of creation? What if motion is creation? And if so, what happens when that motion becomes so powerful that it bends time, swallows light, and reshapes the universe itself? Welcome to black holes, the eternal dance of darkness. The hidden dance of the universe. The universe is not chaos, it's choreography. From the smallest particles to the grandest galaxies, everything follows invisible patterns, curves, spirals, rotations. Each star traces a path written long before it was born. Each atom moves to a rhythm we cannot hear. Rotation gives balance. It gives order. It gives life. Without spin, there would be no planets, no galaxies, no you. Spin is not just a motion. It's a signature. If everything in the universe moves to a cosmic rhythm, then who or what wrote the song? When gravity starts to spin. Gravity, the quiet sculptor of the cosmos, does more than pull. It twists, it bends, it dances. Einstein taught us that mass bends space, but when mass rotates, it stirs space itself, dragging time in circles like a whirlpool. This effect is called frame dragging, and around a rotating black hole, it becomes unstoppable. Space and time are no longer separate. They become one spinning storm. If gravity can twist time, could a black hole be a doorway, not to death, but to a different kind of future? Birth of a black hole. A black hole is not born in silence. It's born in fire and in collapse. A massive star reaches its end, fuel gone, balance lost. In seconds, it implodes, its core collapsing into itself. Gravity takes over. The outer layers explode, a supernova, bright enough to outshine an entire galaxy. And then, silence. All that remains is a point of infinite density, a scar in space-time, the ultimate dancer of darkness. If every black hole is born from a dying star, does that mean destruction is just another form of creation? The accretion disk, the brightest darkness. Around the black hole, chaos turns into light. Gas, dust, and fragments of stars spiral inward, faster, hotter, brighter, until they ignite. This is the accretion disk, a circle of fire around eternal night. The darker the black hole, the brighter the edge of its hunger. Energy, light, and life itself, all torn apart, yet somehow more beautiful in their destruction. Why does beauty always hide inside destruction? Maybe the universe itself only shines when it's falling apart. The spin that bends time. What happens when something spins so fast that time itself begins to twist? That's the reality near a Kerr black hole. Rotation doesn't just move space, it distorts reality. Light curves, time slows, and cause and effect blur. You could orbit a black hole for an hour and return to find that centuries have passed outside. If a place exists where time bends, could there also be a place where it stops? The fastest spinners in the universe. Some black holes are cone giants. Others spin so fast that physics itself trembles. Their edges rotate at 99% the speed of light, a force so powerful it shapes galaxies, launches jets of radiation, and defines the very structure of the cosmos. The faster they spin, the more energy they hold, and yet they remain silent. What if silence is the true sound of power? Black holes versus neutron stars. If black holes are the kings of darkness, then neutron stars are the restless heirs. Small, fierce, magnetic, spinning hundreds of times each second, they pulse like cosmic heartbeats across the void. One emits light, the other devours it. And yet, both are made from the same death, the same fire, the same spin. Light or darkness? Which one do you think wins in the end? The spin mystery. Who gave the universe its twist? The Big Bang gave birth to everything, but also to motion. From the first quantum ripples came rotation, and from rotation came structure. Every galaxy spins the same direction, or maybe they don't. Some scientists believe the universe itself might rotate, a cosmic wheel turning endlessly through time. If the entire universe spins, what is it spinning around? The philosophical spin. Everything that spins eventually slows down. Stars die. Galaxies drift apart. Even black holes evaporate over unimaginable ages. And yet, the pattern remains. Motion never dies. It only changes form. We spin because the universe does. We move because we are made of its motion. Maybe consciousness itself is the universe watching its own dance. Do you think we stop spinning when we die, or just begin another orbit? The ultimate question. Some say black holes are the end of time. Others believe they're portals, beginnings of new universes. What if both are true? What if every black hole births another universe, and our Big Bang was born from the death of another? An endless chain, a spiral without beginning or end, the eternal dance of darkness. So tell me, do you still think black holes destroy, or do they create?